how to lock your laptop with a password in Windows 11. So I'll show you how you can go and set a password for your computer, and this password will be required to sign in to your laptop. Now to do this, you'll just need to go and open up the Start menu on your computer. You could then search for the word Settings and click on this window here. In the left-hand side, select Accounts, and then you'll need to scroll down and click on Sign In Options. Now there's a few different security methods that you can add to sign in to your Windows laptop. So you can see we have PIN, security key, and also password. So for this video, we're going to be setting a password. So click on the drop down arrow next to this, and you'll see use a password to sign into Windows, press add, and then you can just go and add a password for your laptop. Now you may also want to add a password hint in case you forget this password. You can then press next and then go and press finish. So now that we've set this password, if you go and lock the home screen on your computer, the next time you sign in, you'll be required to enter this password.